Gothnage ugohna geha shuggy. Gothnage ugona geha shuggy. Mink was burned black. Intransitive and transitive burn in Cherokee. Intransitive burn. The verb burn has an intransitive form for something that is burning and a transitive form for an agent burning something. Here is the transitive form. Agohunska. It is burning. Agohunskai. It was burning. Agohunga. It just burned. Ugohnai. It burned. Ugohunsti. For it to burn. Dagwalela. Tu liquidina. Agohunska. Udalena hai. When the car overturned, it started to burn. From Durbin Fielding's dictionary example. Present and past. Agohunska, it is burning, is the present form of the verb. Agohunskai, it was burning, is a continuative past or a progressive past form of the verb, an ongoing past with the imperfective stem. In this verb, the present and the imperfective happen to match. The stem is the same, and that's fairly common in Cherokee language to have the present and the imperfective stem match. But you also have mismatches and different kinds of matches. Agohunskai, it was burning. Ugohnai, it burned, is the perfective past, the complete past. The first entry above is present and shows the third person singular marker from the G set A person marker set. The next entry is the ongoing past with the same person marking. The third example is the completed perfective experience past, and it shows the U third person singular marker from the Agi, Agua, or set B person marker set. Asheno Gayula Gunage Ugona Geha Shungi. But the mink was already burned black. Adding an agent as cause of the burning event. Ugohunsti is the infinitive form of the intransitive verb burn, for it to burn. The infinitive stem becomes the base for a new set of 5 stems. The meaning of the new derived verb is causative. The new verb indicates that an agent causes the action or situation expressed by the verb. In Why the Mink Smells, the other animals cause the mink to burn. They burn the mink. A transitive event with an agent, the animals, and an undergoer, the mink. Ugohunsti, for it to burn, becomes the base agohunsti, to burn. Agohunst, cause to burn. Agohunsti ha, she is burning it or him. Gagohunsti skoi, I burn it. Like I burn leaves every fall. Hagohunsta, burn it. Ugohunstanahi, he burned it or her. Ugohunstoti, for her to burn it or him. Ugohunstoti is our target form in Why the Mink Smells. Unagohunstoti, unadantela. The animals decided to burn the mink. Unagohunstoti, unadantela. They decided to burn him. With the third person plural acts on third person singular in this context, and agohunstoti, for to burn him or her. And they burned the mink. Ugohunstanai, he burned it or her, is the target form. And so the stem agohunstan, burned, perfective. Ai is the experienced final, and it contrasts with ae, unexperienced final. Unagohunstanaish, did they burn him? Unagohonstanai. Yes, they burned him. If you want to have a short conversation about the story.